B and C, D, A? Did someone say A? Yeah, okay. Does anyone, so first of all, we're trying to justify the application, right? And the application is that since 3 of the books has currently out on loan from the library are overdue, this person must be fined, right? But we need to know some more things about this person's overdue books, right? Because they said anyone who has more than 1 book overdue at the same time must be fined if the overdue books are not children's books and that person has previously been fined. So we need to know those 2 things, right? They're not children's books and previously fined. Cool with that? Answer choice A. Some of the books that Kessler currently has out on loan from the library are not children's books. Great, that's good to know. And Kessler was fined last year for returning the books, children's books late. Why is this not correct?
Because it can be fined for returning children's books. That's for what it says, right?
Wait, you can't be fined for children's books? Where does it say that?
It's some. It doesn't say others. So I just.
It's not why it's wrong.
Because it says that some of the books out on loan, not necessarily overdue.
That's the issue. So some of the books out on loan are not children's books, but are they are those books overdue? You guys see that? Okay, so that's why A is wrong. B is correct. One of the overdue books currently out on loan is a novel for adults. In other words, it's not a children's book. And Kessler was fined last year for returning this book late. That covers the 2 things, so we're good to go. C, was that another one?
Question would be, is it right because one it can be equal to some?
Yes, some is just at least 1.
Let's see. That's
Yep. Yep. That's probably why they did that, so that we'd be like, oh, that's not some. C, none of the books that Kessler currently has on loan is a children's book. Okay. And in previous years, Kessler has returned various books late. Ooh, what's wrong with this? Wasn't fined. We need them to be fined. D, Kessler was fined by the library several times in the past for overdue books. That's good. But none of the overdue books for which Kessler was fined were children's books. What's it missing? Yeah, the ones that are currently out on loan need to be adult books or not children's books. Okay. Any other questions on that one?
Is
Okay.
there?
Throw in pencils.
Yes. Similar to the way we do this with logic games and going through each condition. Is that how you'd approach this?
Yeah,
question,
like
or
we
how
had
would you
those
approach
2 clauses, right,
Yeah.
in the if, and we had to satisfy those to strengthen or to justify the principle.
it? Right.
And so we're looking for those, yeah, and it's very precise.
Okay.
Yeah, Will?
So C looks extremely strong compared to B when you say none.
Yeah, that's fine.
Essentially, they're just saying the same. Or am I wrong?
No, the strength is great, but the problem is it says in previous years Kessler has returned various books late. We don't know whether they were fined. So content-wise, it's missing that.
Oh, okay. I guess I extrapolated and said that because they're fine.
Yeah, we don't know that. Yep.
Yeah.